Hello everyone, Johnny back again with another meditation. Just in my backyard, and as you can see, got a lot of little creatures running around. I thought I'd just use these little guys as the background. And this will be a good example of just appreciating the moment, whatever's happening around you. Just observing nature and really taking a minute to see it in all its glory. All the beautiful creatures. Having fun. Just being. Reminding us to do the same. Just listen to those birds chirping off in the distance. Beautiful sound. Just let all of your other thoughts and all your other concerns just be released out of your mouth. And just inhale the beauty all around you in the moment. Take time to be out in nature with all there is. Notice how the animals are not worried, they're not concerned, they're not stressed, they're at peace, and they're having fun, just being in the moment, and I want you to do the same. Take a nice big deep breath in, breathing all this beauty around you. Look at that sun coming in, warming up everything around us. Feel that sun warmth. It shines for everyone. Let us be grateful. Look at these guys playing around. Let them have their fun. Let them remind you to have fun. And just let all your other concerns fade away. No matter what's going on in your life, what happened today, what's going to happen tomorrow, put that all on hold for now. Don't worry about any of that. This is the present moment. It's another chance to enjoy the present. So accept that gift. You hear that vacuum off in the distance? And it's a message to vacuum away all your fears and your concerns. You can ask your guides and your angels to help you to release all of that. So when you hear that sound of the vacuum, imagine all your fears, all those negative emotions you don't need, just being vacuumed right away out of you, and allow this beautiful light around us to fill up all that empty space now. And just open up and accept beautiful surroundings. beautiful peace. Just feel that connection with Mother Nature. Embrace what is. And know that it's more than enough. Recognize how much better you feel already. Just by letting things be. Taking this time for yourself. Just to observe. Be present. And to accept. Not having to search for anything outside of yourself. Just being completely at peace. Feel that gratitude wash over you. And don't be afraid. Feel those butterflies flying around. Let them remind you to spread your spiritual wings and to continue your transformation to becoming all that you're meant to be. You've already come so far. Use this as an example. It only takes a few minutes to really ground yourself. To recognize where you are. To see the beauty all around you. To accept it and be grateful for it. It'll shift your whole energy, your whole vibration, and your whole life. Just allow it to be. And before long, you'll be flying around. It's like these butterflies that are flying around here. And just feel all that life around you. See all that life around you. Recognize you have all that energy within you. You are alive. This is your time to make the most of that energy and to see that energy everywhere around you. To really appreciate it and become one with it. And listen to those birds whispering to you. Up there, up in the trees. You can hear them. Just be grateful. We're going to take a time, this time, to finish with 3 deep breaths. Breathing in all of this beautiful energy around us. Really savoring it and holding on to it. Becoming one with it. And releasing. And again, breathing in again. Feeling peace, becoming one with that peace and sending it out. And one last time, breathing in, holding on to it, becoming one with it, and sending it back out. Thank you for joining me, everyone. Thank you to Mother Nature. Thank you for everything that we have. Have a wonderful day. Remember to live in the present and to embrace the present and everything it has for you.